Hello, it's Indira from Indie Arts Creations. Thanks for joining me. So ever since I did the other ring pour, I've been wanting to do another one. And I have a little great niece that wanted something in pink and blue. So I have some pinks and blues. Because I haven't perfected this, I'm just still practicing it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use white. I notice I don't use a lot of white negative space. It seems like black and Payne's gray are my go-tos these days. But I'm going to do a white negative space. And then I am going to layer this in two tones of pink, a lighter pink, a light pink and a darker, and sky blue and a different shade of blue. Sorry, I can't remember exactly what shade that is. With a little white in the cup also. So here's my cup, and I'm just gonna layer it, starting with white. I'm just gonna layer pink, blue, pink, blue. And because this is only a 8 by 10, I don't think we're gonna need but so much. So I hope everybody is having a good day. I'm gonna put white in between the pink and blue layers. I would like to say thank you for everyone that is supporting me, not only here, but on Instagram. I really appreciate the support. I hope to continue to bring you nice paintings that you enjoy watching as they're being done. I did get a message the other day. It was quite exciting. Somebody inquired about one of the paintings. So it looks like they may be leaving me going to a new home. I'm going to do one more layer after this because, again, this isn't a big canvas. So we don't need a ton of paint. So one more layer. This one I'm not going to put a white in between. I'm going to see how it's going to react since this is our last layer. Don't forget, if there's anything that you want to see, just let me know. I'm going to put down our negative space. I'm not going to flood it all the way, but I am going to tilt it around some. So I'm tilting it to make it a little thinner, just so that when I start the ring, it's on like just like a big glob of paint, but a thinner layer of paint. There are bubbles that I want to pop before we get started. So again, we're going to try this ring. Look like a ring can look like different things. Sometimes a ring can look like a rose. Stretch it, it may look like something different though. I had a We had more paint, but it was getting ready to go over on the tip and I didn't want it to go over. So now we're just going to slowly stretch it out. And it does. I'm going to turn it this way so that you can see. So, need a little assistance here. I do actually is I'm going to layer some more paint and I'm going to pour another ring and I want to see what that's going to do. In here. This time I'm going to go light to dark. To lighter, I'm running out of the darker pink. We need a lot because this is our second ring, and right. So this ring came out better. Use the word better. Rings can form different shapes. Ultimately, what I'm striving for is to get my rose, but that's not to say that I don't like the other shapes that my rings form, because I do. Okay, so here goes. Gives us layering, right? Like this layer came out different than the first layer, and it's because I layered the paints. Now this one I'm going to let to start to go off. I have to work on that center. That center didn't come out in either. I would have liked it to. Which if I'm going for a rose, I would have liked it to have looked like the center of a rose. But this is what we have. I would love to know what your thoughts are. Let me clean it up. I'm going to torch it and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Hello, here we are with the close-up, starting in the left corner, going to the right. So we have some really nice lacing. If you know where the ring pour starts out at, you can see that it still has some of the ring formation. I'm just looking to perfect this that it looks like a rose, but it will come. Practice, practice. So this is our little ring pour. We have 2 shades of pink, 2 shades of blue. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for the support. And until we meet again, cheers to painting.